Hello, my name is Tristan Weatherly, and today I'm going to show you how to use Feedly. It's a website used to find blogs on multiple different topics. Here we have social media marketing. This is a feed I already created. I have found 5 blogs to show you on each of these. And if you go click on social media marketing, it'll show you things that are most popular that have the same lines in them as social media marketing, that go along the lines of social media marketing. And now I'm going to show you how to make a new feed. First, you want to go down here and click Add Content. Then once you get here, you want to click the search bar and then type whatever you want to do in. I'm going to do Overwatch League because I'm into video gaming and this is pro gaming. So Overwatch League, click on the first link and then matching sources. First, I'm going to press follow, and then I'm going to say, instead of social media marketing, I'm going to go to new feed. Then I'm going to name it gaming. And I'm going to press create. And now I have gaming over here. And it's above social media marketing. And I'm going to downsize social media marketing and downsize gaming. Next, you can do another topic. Let's show you communication. We'll do communication. Here we have science of people. I want to add this to a new feed called communications. And create. Then we also want to go down and add blog finding mastery. We want to add it to communications. Then we want to go back up and we want to type in, I want to know how you use communications in business. And Harvard Business Review. We can add that one to communications. And we can also add strategy. Then, lastly, we're going to do one more topic, or one more blog to add to this. We're going to do digital communication. Because in today's society, digital communication is a major part of it. We're going to add this to communications. And now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my favorite one. I said Harvard Business Review solely because it talks to us about how leaders in the world in companies need to be more open and honest about the way they feel and more open to their employees. So that way it creates a trust within the employees. And this is just a small little thing of what we can find on here. And it can help us with a bunch of different things. And just so you know, Feedly is free, and if you want to create an account, all you have to do is your email and a password. Thank you, and have a great day.